How to start a cooking channel in Ghana with just your phone. 6 steps per bebo na watumi akreti channel no na won so watumi ayede monetize. Na na bi din kuma fa dey friends say quality audio. Ewi a na akasa fa dey friends say phone video quality. Na yakọ lighting. Ewi a na yakọ dey friends say close up shots. If you want also pe na yakọ dey friends say Ghana specific SEO strategy betimi abo ama video akọ viral. Na yakọ dey friends say thumbnail. Na mama bonus betimi abo ama video so ayede as I call viral for free. Hanom learn YouTube in tree. A better YouTube for free. Yan juice ka. The answer be subscribe no like it. Who so no leave you comment and say be any question be or dream no. Or comment section box ni mo. Ama me na me so man sound in my next video. Sa video we will be question obusa na me video we afa ho. The best say free quality audio. Se ka se quality audio a ehun hia pa as a YouTube content creator no ebe boa ama videos na dey enya more views afin so no betimi asa boa ama wanya more audience retention and the match say kwan afa so obi say dey enya quality audio as a small YouTube creator in Ghana be say o share say e create content about cooking enti say audio no bad a ya na etimi how channel no because of say nipa bebre no so mutia ya na eno no hia o mo chen say o dey o hwe because video na we educational content and you be taking notes no why they were practicing so if say the work can want here obeja video no why they ako how to get a quality audio as a small YouTube creator without you purchasing much expensive gadgets the kind ade obey ni say I was say o make sure say obe avoid the noisy area baby ade dey work no obetwe why they every one na afenso no yakọ be audio nche say bia o dey wan say bia studio no also make sure say obe close your window and I say bia o doors no say the be noise bia ntimi dey penetrate inside the no na afenso no phone wako recorder ho na de be your record and say bia de be your audio no ama o video no so record the hodom no wabo record no record it was stripped no what kind no recording nyina dey at honum uwi a no waba abehye o videos na dey ase na say phones na aba no the cameras no very good than those days there no enti phones no bo no ma you 30 fps you 60 fps and if you say 120 fps and I say 4k enti we no wanya krampo na say wonya ade friends 30 fps ebetimi aboa na video na dey looking nice and attractive to audience and see viewers e bia person na video ni ye pa no be use 4k no 4k no be more of detail video no be very nice obenya pixels na dey more enti 4k no your mom phone no all very high no obetimi use 4k no so you super ya na so timi how for editing no be break akra enti at least no when timi kombo no 30 60 120 there is not bad for you as a small creator enti say see an won kwan for so be there obenya quality video na afen so no ade ehun hia ba ko say video no enikwa say dey shaky so be here there say tripod and now say obetimi so phone mu yie without shaking your hands enti the betimi abo say per small mini tripod ni be less than 200 Ghana cedis obenya small mini tripod ni be now the 12 video na dey are very nice afi no ye be ko ade e fe ni say lighting hu hia na emom say woni ska ye be kasa fa difference natural lighting eno ne ye ya ngasa ye wie ya ebo ya abontin light ye wo ho na obetimi ayusu eno e da ye videos lighting be boa ama video no enye too dark e be very clear nipa ne hwe ne be je obehu bibia clear in your video na ma no follow content and say bia channel no for more videos afi so betimi to lighting na betimi to light ngiti we be was screen use eno ne bo nye den something 50 Ghana cedis 100 or 200 Ghana cedis obenya be 3 enso be boa ama video na ye dey look clear to the audience and I say be a viewer na watch video no na na ye dey spending more time to watch your videos. Now you be call number 4 there if say Ghana search engine optimization strategy and also be boa na etimi mo video na ye dey rank best in case say be a obi search anything about cooking content in Ghana o then be pop up and say be first now also why they when you more views so then I was say oh yeah also make sure say o title no answer what the viewer is searching for on YouTube after no also make sure say who you see Ghana specific word or title with him now boa ama Ghana for day ahun video no anytime on search or YouTube no for example if I say be a person oh yeah aduane about jollof title no say na better no how to make Ghana jollof simple remedy or simple recipe we be boa ama video na dey rank best in case you be search about jollof in Ghana pe video be dey beba because of say what you see Ghana specific keyword WhatsApp shots there very important part so back content creating more and no you say watch video na we no was zoom in kakra no was twa so the be nipa na benya dey detailed of what you are presenting some phones ni be no ma omo use 0.5 omo we are close up shots no be 1.0 make sure I was screen so ntihwe ade we So when you can say a close up shot no ebe boa no the detailed of the video no na viewer no are spending more time no why they watch it because so when close up na na eboa ma viewer no hu say ase ono no na ade na we dey no last one ade nso ehu hia pa friend say thumbnail no say na obey no say na be for so design no on say as a small beginner no na who need graphic design skills. So how can you create a very nice or attractive thumbnail? Make sure very simple. What we are no now what garnish be beer together. No what putting on your table. What should be beer kama. No what take your phone. No what you so close up shot. What take picture. Correct. Uchape mad na day I very nice. And only a close up shot no. And my view na day if you say I dey with as na me. What you say? Do chape. No why they take a crabby. Ubeti me you so phone effect not that first crabby. Now for the no ayo thumbnail. I won't spending more time in designing thumbnail. Very simple method I'm show for free. Last one I make a show who be here more pass a smoke it no different captions. Mem channel way in tree into most of the editing apps no money how I generate what I'm saying in tree. But say be episode kasa in English so use captions. About wow audience and say be a viewer na day I follow video into the end because obe ready I feel so best what you are saying to be in two senses now they are grabbing attention no I'm not there I show video no to the end so make sure say why editing in the area no add the captions to me add the captions abra we use a TikTok app no for editing and I say bia we use a CapCut nya be boa am what me add the captions I hanom learn to be in tree and your first time subscribe na like it we so no share no what leave any question be or what dream concerning YouTube no or comment section box no am me na me so man sound in my next video.